Hello, Mike Shipman here, Certified Public Accountant, CPA, and Instructor for Accounting with Mount Aloysius College. If you're interested in business and specifically accounting, I'm here to just give you a short intro to why maybe you should consider that field and get more involved with accounting. A lot of people think of accounting as simply, will you do my taxes? And that's why I have at the top of this iceberg analogy here. A lot of people know about taxes, but there are also business taxes, not just individual taxes. And then a lot of people know about auditing because of the IRS audits taxpayers, but some people also know that auditing has to do with companies properly presenting their financial records. And so that one's kind of at the waterline. But what really excites me about accounting is that it's more than just taxation and auditing. There's a lot of things beneath the surface. At Mount Aloysius College, we have two concentrations in accounting that you can consider for forensic accounting. And so I'm a CPA, certified public accountant, but there are also certified fraud examiners and certified forensic accountants who work in investigating frauds. The idea that we know something's wrong and we're going to find it. And that's an area the FBI is very interested in. And then you have cost accounting, also known as managerial accounting, for certified management accountants, CMAs. They do a lot of internal accounting for businesses, and that's to solve business problems. That's things like break-even analysis and target profits, target production. So another neat area to get involved with. And then a lot of people kind of forget about the very basics of accounting at the bottom, the foundation that is financial accounting. And that's just reporting a company's books properly, reporting what happens for a company and tracking it. And so you can't really have auditing of a company's books without the proper financials to begin with. You can't check something if it's not there. So this is what gets me very excited about accounting, is that there's a lot of different things you can do with it, more than even is just listed on this screen. And so I thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and to consider the various accounting areas that Mount Aloysius College has to offer. Thank you for your time, and have a wonderful day.